light should be, say, this bright while we're sitting here eating. Would you like it this bright? Joseph?
I think it should be a lot lower.
They should be lower. What do you think? He's got some going up, brighter. Okay, so we got one lower, one brighter. Okay, what's the verdict here? Who wants it higher? Lights brighter? No?
Nobody.
Who wants lower?
Nobody. Lower.
Oh,
Everybody.
lower pins. All right, good.
And we're back.
Let's think of something else.
With another victim. And we're back, yet with another victim. I have here Ruby, and I heard she's a gem. Oh, I'm sorry, that's a bad joke, bad joke. Ruby, tell me your full name.
Last name included?
No, you don't have to tell me your last name if you don't want to. See, I'd like to do that because people usually freak. I don't want people to know who I am. Okay, now, the question I wanted to ask you, Ruby, and it's been bothering me all day. What do you think is the connection between romance and the movies?
Romance and movies. I don't know. Movies are usually the ideal first date or whatever comes to mind. You know, most people would go to dinner and a movie.
Just the name of tonight, dinner and a movie. This woman is a cliche right after another. But I mean, okay, that's good. It's good for a first date. But do you think that the way they romanticize relationships in movies and all of that adds to the feeling of going with somebody, sitting next to somebody, watching a movie that really brings out all these emotions, and then you walk out and you discuss it with them and stuff like that? What do you think that brings out of somebody that you just met and you're going out for the first couple times? Do you think that kind of helps you open up?
Definitely the movie first helps you open up. It gives you something to talk about, and then you go out to dinner. If it's kind of awkward, you don't have to keep it personal. You can always talk about what you saw and how they felt about it. So
I like this girl. Okay, now, people are going to be watching this. I'm sure you know. What do you like in that perfect companion?
What do I look for in a man?
What do you look for in a man?
Humor, sensitivity, all the cliche kind of things.
It's okay, cliches are good.
A very attractive person and someone who is just respectful.
Respect is so important. If you were to summarize love in 3 words, which ones would they be?
In 3 words?
3 words, girl. That's all you get.
I don't even have 3 words for love. I don't know. That's hard.
Think.
That's hard. Love in 3 words. Honesty, like I said, respect, and romance. How's that?
There we go. Honesty, respect, and romance. Love it. Love it. Thank you very much, Ruby. Thank you for being with us. And we'll be right back, folks, and we're definitely going inside and checking people out. You'll see what the setup is going to be like. They have beautiful little round tables that bring the food to you. We're going to see some of the food they have on the menu. They have wine, they have beer, so stick around. We'll be right back.
If you're enjoying the Michelle Valentine Show, you will love her new travel TV show, Love, Eat, Travel. Follow Michelle Valentine as she travels the world, showcasing the most beautiful destinations, unique adventures, romantic things to do, delicious foods, and more. Visit www.loveeattravel.tv for more information about an upcoming TV show.
Hi, this is Michelle Valentine, and I would love if you followed me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Be sure to visit my website, michellevalentine.tv, for more information, read thousands of interesting blog posts, watch videos, enter sweepstakes, and more. Also, be sure to join my email list to receive my free weekly e-newsletter.
Are you wondering where all the quality singles are? Singles that are attractive, educated, and financially secure? Hello, I'm Michelle Valentine, and I've helped thousands of singles live a happier life, and I can help you too. Clients and members include millionaires, models, doctors, lawyers, and teachers. So call us for your complimentary consultation.